Hey, what's up guys, Yavar back again. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made $10,000 on Clickbank, and I'm also going to show you my winning campaign on Bing ads and how your mindset should be. Okay, so this is something which is very real. A lot of people were asking me, so I'm going to give you a blueprint. Okay, so it had worked for me, it will work for you exactly the same thing. Again, model success, you need to just follow what successful people are doing and make it 10% better. So I'm going to show you one of the ad structure, how you need to do it and everything. So guys, let's get started. So the product which I was promoting was Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Okay, so now it's the number one. So I think so now I stopped promoting it at all. So 4, 5, 6 months back I was promoting it. Now the competition is a lot. Around 600 people are promoting this. Gravity means how many advertisers are promoting it. So 600 people are promoting it, which is a lot. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how my ads looked. So again, this is my Google Bing ads account. I almost spent around $1,500 on this Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Okinawa. This is my ad structure. So imagine buy Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, 85% off, Okinawa 85% off discount. So I was just trying and testing. And one thing to remember is, I think so I'm speaking really fast. Okay, so one thing you need to remember is my CTR is above 10%, 15%. There were times I was getting 25% click-through rate. Okay, and imagine I'm spending $400, $29, $600. So I'm spending a lot of money. I can just refresh as well. So just refresh. Perfect. Yeah, so as you could see, so imagine $5 at the time for a product I was spending $10 for one click and I was making money. Okay, so I was getting return ROI, return of investment. Sorry guys, a lot of background noise because I have a newborn daughter, but yeah, so that's how it is guys. Spend a lot. It doesn't matter if you are paying $5 per click, $10 per click, but if you're making money, don't matter. If I spend $100 per click and if I'm making money, I don't care. Make sure you need to be calculating, tracking everything down, how many clicks. Okay, so just try a product for 1 week. If it's making money, start doing it. That's there. Again, so just this is for the entire time I was promoting it. When long back I was promoting, it's 3-4 months back, but now the competition is a lot. So this is how it is. Now I'm gonna go in the mindset how you need to structure and everything. So just you need to pause the video, whatever you want to do. So this is my structure of my campaign. Okay, so there are a lot of ways you can target someone. So first thing is competition. How many competitors are there? So again, CarboFix, BioFit. So these are the same fat loss products, but different products, but these are your competition. So you can target these products. Okay, you can target all of these products. Lean. So if you just search CarboFix, it's another fat loss product on Clickbank. So if I just search over here, so just spaced CarboFix. Sorry, what's happening? CarboFix. Again, this is a fat loss product. So yeah, you can do competition. Okay, you can do generic. Okay, how to burn stomach fat, best weight loss product, how to lose belly fat. Okay, so competition, generic. Okay, generic again, broad match, phrase match, negative keywords. So right now I'm not gonna go in details. If you want to learn more all about this, make sure check out my case study where I show you how you can make $100 with just 5 clicks. So you know 500% ROI. So that's next level. Again, generic. So these just a bird's eye view on how I structure my campaigns. Brand. Okay, so again, flat belly tonic, broad match, broad modifier, phrase, exact, display. Also you could do, you need to do retargeting as well. So a lot of things are involved, but this is how you need to structure. Run $100 on competition, run $100 on generic, run $100 on brand keywords. You can do display as well. So that's there. Now competition guys, competition analysis is the most important. Just simple, go on Bing, search Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. on Bing, people were promoting. So I used to search every day before I started promoting this product. So 1 week before I started preparing myself, I found a winning product. So again, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, Microsoft Bing, these are all the landing pages of my competition. Okay, then now Google Ads, what people are searching. So if I just open, I really don't even want to open, it's bad on my part, but let's open this one. Open, copy. Now I think so it's outdated. I don't know if it's there or no. No, so it's not there. Let's open another one. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. What is Okinawa or special? This one. Okay, this is their own page. Flat Belly Tonic, Google Ads, all of these things what people are searching on Google Ads. Okay, more competition analysis, more on Google. This was my Google Ads campaign. Again, my site links, what was working, what was not working. So again, guys, I'm just giving you a mindset on how you need to prepare. Okay, what competitions are doing, what other people are doing, how can I make it 10% better. Okay, so there's always a law. Okay, a law of cause and effect. Okay, whatever you do, it will reap you benefits. So if you do something what successful people are doing, you'll get the same results. It's the same logic. So that's there. The other thing is, again, on Facebook, I did Facebook competition analysis as well, what people are running. So people are running this, their landing page as well. If I just open their landing page, control click, sorry if it's your landing page, but something how I went this Okinawa, it's opening there. Okay, on Facebook I did some competition analysis. So this is how it is, guys. Follow the competition, make something 10% better. Nothing is complicated. If it's complicated, that means you're doing something wrong. Now on my notepad, so this is the, so forget this. So landing page essential. So any landing page should have a headline. So let's say it would be Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, product/avatar image, bullet points, social proof, CTA, risk reversal. So CTA is click to action. Any landing page you see, there would be a CTA. Risk reversal, before and after images, urgency. Okay, buy right now, hurry up. Scarcity, like limited time only. So all of these things are covered in my case study where I show you how to create a landing page. You can use the same blueprint and start making sales on Clickbank. And I think so that's it for today, guys. I hope it's really helpful. So think about how everything goes inside it. I'm giving you a bird's eye view. No one tells you this, and this is my winning campaign, guys. I made $10,000 on this. Okay, you can, it's again, once you know one thing, you can start running on Google Ads, Snapchat ads, Microsoft Bing ads, Pinterest ads, Twitter ads, native ads, everything you can run on. Okay, sky is the limit, but you need to know the basics. What is generic? Like this is the basic, guys. Once you know this, you can start making more money. And again, replicate, and then you can start making money on autopilot. And I think so that's it for today, guys. And if you would like to learn more about this, there is a case study where I show you how to make $100 with 5 clicks with 500% ROI. Check its link in the bio. And that's it for today. Yavar Khan signing off. And guys, if you need something, if you have any questions, do let me know in comments or just send me an email. I'll get back to you. And Yavar Khan signing off.